All right, guys, welcome back to Soai. So tonight we are, well, it's not even, is it evening or is it night? It's like some minutes to like 6. Now we are out in Mount Vernon and we're gonna check out a spot called Tossed and Pressed. Some of you might have seen me do a video here before, but I'm here because I'm super interested in trying out their lunch menu. Now, when I got here, a lot of people talk about the prices of food. They would say, oh, $20 is a lot, $15 is a lot, $25 is a lot of money to pay for Jamaican food. So if you've never been there before, you never watched a previous video, in essence, they are like a Jamaican Chipotle. Now, speaking of prices, when I got here, people informed me that back in the day, they used to have like dishes that would cost like $5. These were super economic, super affordable for people to have an opportunity to try Jamaican food. Unfortunately, with the popularity of Jamaican food coming into play, prices have just gone up and up and up. Now, Tossed and Pressed has a menu which is only $9. It gives you a great opportunity to try what they have. You're gonna get a sandwich, a drink, a taco, or a wrap, which I think is absolutely amazing. Now, in my videos, I'm super transparent. These are my people. And not because they're my people means I'm gonna give them a nice and easy time. It means I'm gonna judge this sandwich a lot harder. They have recently released a fried chicken sandwich, which I haven't gotten a chance to try as it. So we're gonna hop inside, we're gonna get a couple sandwiches made. I'm gonna show you guys what you can get for $9, which in New York these days it's a ridiculous price. Think about that. Back in the day, you guys would say $5 is really good. Now $9, which is more, is really good. Yeah, things have gone up. So let's hop inside, try a couple sandwiches, and I'll tell you guys exactly what I think. And I'm not a stranger to this place, so most of the stuff I do already know. And today we got Akinia. What's up?
Hi.
Why so, yeah, you get all shy. And that's crazy. All right, so you guys have a new lunch special. Tell us about that.
So our lunch special is from 12 to 4. We have options of snack wraps, sandwiches, bowls. It also comes with drink, like Blue Nile lemonade or fruit punch lemonade of your choice.
Which one do you choose?
So it's jerk chicken, basically. Jerk chicken or fried chicken. I'm stick to the fried chicken now, so basically the favorite one for me is the fried chicken, which jerk chicken is more popular as well. So.
What would you recommend for me today? I think, let me see.
The lunch special is over, so I would recommend the oxtail sandwich.
Yeah, no, we're doing a lunch special.
543.
I'm using my special people card today. We're doing the lunch special for me, which is, damn, okay, so you guys have lunch. It's actually $6. I thought it was $9.
No, the snack wrap is $6, because that doesn't come with a drink.
Oh, it doesn't come with a drink. Okay, so we have the jerk or So could I do the $9 fried chicken sandwich?
Yes, but you pay for your own toppings. So each toppings is 99 cents. So
I ain't paying for no toppings, but if you guys come here, you're gonna pay for additional toppings on top of that. Question, so what toppings does it come with though?
It doesn't come with toppings. You choose your own toppings and each toppings is 99 cents. It only comes with the drink, the sandwich, the chicken and the greens. So you pay for your own toppings.
So wait, so they would get the bread, of course, the chicken.
The chicken and a side of green with a spring mix or romaine lettuce, and you pay for your toppings.
Oh, I thought they were gonna give you guys some naked sandwich, but it actually comes with greens. But I'm gonna add a couple different things. No, you know what? I'm gonna have it the exact same way you guys would have it if you got here. So hold up. It comes with sauce.
You choose your sauce.
I have to make sure my people actually get something for the full 9.
Why not? Everything here is with soy sauce.
I see what you did there. One of my favorite sauces here, the last time, was the yard sauce. That's really good. And the champagne sauce is also a good one.
For the fried chicken, I recommend the Pretty Pretty.
Oh, I've never seen that one. So it's a champagne suave, but vegan. Okay, we're gonna do the Pretty Pretty. All right, let's do that. All right, so.
But it really doesn't come with toppings. You pay for your own toppings.
We get VIP access here. So now we have the fried chicken being chopped up. Okay, fried chicken being chopped up. And this is home done cocoa bread, right?
Yes.
Cocoa bread, cool.
What's your size of green?
What side I want? Yeah, definitely the garden, the spring mix. I don't mind beer back, man. I'll do nothing extra. So that's the spring mix, the fried chicken, and the sauce.
You could add a little sauce to it, like add some toppings.
Yeah, but I want to try it exactly how they
VIP.
try it.
No,
More-
they do get their toppings. It's just that they paid for it. But they do get their
more and
toppings.
try it for $9.
It is same $9. You get in the VIP.
Yeah.
So-
I'm doing it exactly this way. Just a fried chicken and
Spring mix?
Yeah, and
And
sauce.
the
That's
pretty
it.
sauce.
Yeah. Why do you like the pretty sauce though? What's the difference
So
between
when
the
we
other
first
ones?
do the fried chicken, and the first test I did, I tried it with the pretty, so I didn't go anywhere else because it was perfect. Bree tried it herself, and she recommended that. But
Pretty
other
pretty.
people do change whatever they want.
That makes sense. Okay.
But just like we have the yard sauce that we recommend for the oxtail, the jerk sauce for the jerk, we recommend this one for the fried chicken.
What do you think about the price though? You
That's
living
perfectly fine.
You
You
living
can't
in
go
New
nowhere
York,
else and get away with that.
right? In New
Nowhere.
York, things are pretty expensive these days. I agree.
And then you get a drink with it.
What's your favorite drink though? Here.
My natural drinks, the sea moss drinks. The
Ah,
soursop
the-
sea moss. But
I
between the Blue Nile or the fruit punch, my favorite is actually the Blue Nile. It has blue spirulina in it and also ginger. So
yeah, I think your juices are really good. The last time I tried the I'm in Love or whatever it's
I
called.
believe in love.
I Believe in Love. That's really good. Yeah, it's a really good one.
All right. So now. You see, you're gonna try the pretty sauce.
Ooh, this is nice. This looks really nice. And the pretty sauce. I Bree named that sauce, I don't.
She named all the sauces.
Pretty. All right.
So now. You have an option of getting it cut or not if you want it to be cut in half.
Yes, please. Ooh. I'll choose your favorite one,
The
the
blue
blue
now?
now.
Can't beat $9.
I agree. First of all, let's feel the weight on this. So nice weight, feels maybe like about half pound. You know, I go market it, mommy.
Of course, we're going to market it. I want to tell them life business.
Yeah, it feels about like half pound. Pretty good. All right, let's try this. Okay, so I stole a banana bread. The banana breads are, how much is it? It's definitely not 99 cents. So it's $2.99. What's 99 cents? The cookies? Okay, cool. Did you like the banana bread? Nice. You see a lot of stories. Huh? Okay. Come. I think you need a hug. Yes, come. Come.
Tired. It's like church.
For me, I honestly think you'll be okay pretty soon. All right, I had the most brilliant conversation in this space. I won't show you guys too much, but we are in the Zinc Shack. It's just beside the Tossed and Pressed restaurant. So eventually, maybe I might try doing like a little event here for you guys, a meet and greet. Who knows? But yeah, I was over here just talking to a doctor, and it was really cool and insightful, the conversation. But nonetheless, I mentioned that because my sandwich might be a little bit colder than it should be. I'm having the blue spirulina. This is good. I'm not tasting spirulina. Firstly, it tastes more like a pineapple and ginger. And then the color lets you know it's blue spirulina. But pineapple and ginger is what I'm tasting the most of. Nice, refreshing, good amount of sweetness. That's a good one. I stole one of these. This is a banana bread. It looks more like a banana flatbread. Usually banana breads are a little bit thicker, but I would say the texture and consistency of the traditional banana bread It's a little bit different from this, but again, it's more of a flat bread. Flatness, height, all of these things really do affect how your pastry comes out, but definitely tasting a lot of banana, definitely doughy, not overly sweet. What I came for is this sandwich here. So in Jamaica, cocoa bread and hardo bread is our preferred bread. Some of the people here might do like a flat bread and paninis and all of these stuff, but cocoa bread is our thing. So the cocoa bread is panini pressed with some butter and herbs and all these nice stuff. And essentially just some fried chicken with a nice garden salad. Let's try. All right, so I won't exaggerate the taste, and I told you guys, or maybe I did or did not. These are my people, and I'm gonna mark them or talk about their food a lot more, a lot more harder than anybody else that I would. Now, for me, it's pretty much what it is. It's a sandwich with some fried chicken and vegetables. Usually sandwiches like these, they should be true to what you expect. So you want the vegetables inside to be nice, fresh, crispy, crunchy. The salad definitely is that. The fried chicken is pretty good, nicely seasoned, not overly salty, not too much of anything. The crisp on it, I think I would like the crispiness to be a little bit better. However, I was in here having a whole conversation for a while, and there's a pretty sauce on top of it. So that could have affected the crispiness. However, the sauce is pretty nice. The cocoa bread is pretty good, nice texture to it. Slight sweetness as a cocoa bread should be. And a fair amount of butteriness. My favorite thing to say is it's pretty easy to eat. I like that the fried chicken is not dry either. I didn't feel an ounce of dryness. The fried chicken is pretty moist, so it works well with the cocoa bread. Now, price point, what do I think? I've been to a lot of places where a drink like this could easily go for anywhere between $5 to $6. So if you're getting a sandwich and a drink for $9, I think that is an absolutely great deal. All right, I'm gonna try a couple other things using the same lunch combo, and I'll tell you guys what I think. But overall, delicious. All right. Call me a poor reviewer for this because I don't remember the name of this drink, but all of their drinks that I've had before, the I Am Wealthy, the something about love, all of their drinks are pretty good. Nice, fruity, thick, delicious. It's so good, you probably won't even realize that you're drinking something that's healthy. It's actual fruits that they put in there, whether it's strawberries, mangoes, not kale, spinach. Yeah, those are pretty good. This one that I had here is a mixture of, I'm tasting mango predominantly, some sour, and tasting honey as well. Maybe a little bit of passion fruit, but this is a mixture. If you ever walk in and they made a smoothie for somebody, any of the extras, you can ask them and they will give you a sample of it so you could taste it for yourself. They're doing that because they know 90% of the times you are going to buy it. Now, this is my first time ever having any of their sandwiches late at night, and I was in there and I realized it's kind of like a cult following of people who come here and really appreciate what they're doing. You see, when you're from a certain background, especially here, they're from Jamaican background, people are looking for Jamaican food, something that they can be familiar with, the oxtails, the plantains, different stuff like that. But what they like is that it's similar to something that they also know, which is the Chipotle or the whatever salad bar setting at a good price. So here I have a oxtail sandwich. I put a lot of stuff on this sandwich, so many different stuff on the sandwich. And my favorite thing is that here, everything is customizable. You just have to pay a little bit more. All right, my sandwich is wet and messy the way I like it. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. This sandwich is a play around sandwich. I was actually filming some content, but I'm like, yo, I'm not letting this go to waste. So what did I throw on this? Ooh. Ooh. There's oxtail, there's corn, there's banana peppers, there's salad. Ooh, this oxtail tastes better than the last time I had it. There's carrots. See someone's walking away with their smoothies. It's that good. What time is it now? It's 7:50. They close in 40 minutes. So remember, get here by 8:30. Still hot and fresh and ready. This is actually better than I thought it would be. One of my favorite things about this restaurant that they try to live by is they do small batch orders. So they don't make one big pot of oxtail that's gonna last you for the entire day. They do everything batch by batch. So they might do a batch of, I'm just talking off the top of my head, maybe to serve 40 people. And then when that's coming to the close, they start on another batch. So that way you're not getting anything that's stale or lunch that you're gonna be eating for dinner. The carrots give this a really nice crunch. Because the cocoa bread is so soft. And that gravy and the oxtail. It is actually good. My stomach is full, but it's still piquing my interest. That's good. Now, this spot, I would say the sandwich is as good as you desire. If you know you like banana peppers, order them banana peppers. If you know you like mac salad, or you want to have scotch bonnet pepper or escovitch or anything like that, you build your own sandwich and it's going to be as good as you decide to make it. Yes, they do have some starter sandwiches. For example, the $9 deal that I tried today, it's a good sandwich, but I think it could be even better if you decide to pay a little bit more and add some pepper or add whatever other toppings that you choose to add. All in all, as a Caribbean person, I'm super happy to have something like this in Mount Vernon, because over there, you can see that restaurant, and we have this restaurant that gives you something very similar in terms of it being fast food, but it's also healthy. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up, keeping it short and sweet. If you never checked out the very first time I tried this restaurant, I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. I just stopped by here, have a little vibe, check out some of my favorite people. One thing I could tell you for sure, the customer service is on point. They're really nice people, mom and pop, local shop, Jamaican run, amazing vibes, good, clean food. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, two things: love nature and adaptation. And hopefully, if I decide to keep a little event here, some of you might pass through. Keep your link.
If I could take you back to my